Well, you can't ask for a more idyllic place than this. Look at it. It's so quiet. There's nothing here. This is my ideal home. Maybe I'll make this house for me and not for sale. And look at this swimming pool. I mean, it's incredible. You walk out of this beautiful house, and then within 3 feet away from you is this swimming pool. Lights and waterfalls, and a building with 4, 5, 6 bedrooms, each with a bathroom. Who could ever think I could design something so incredible? But today is the day that it becomes reality, that we actually pour the cement and start to come out of the ground. And my Burmese crew and my Thai crew have work for the next 6 months at least. Okay, bye for now.